Hi there! Remember that dramatic wedding? Betrayed by her groom, she thought she was completely alone. But aid came from the most unexpected places. Neighbors, friends, and even kind strangers refused to let her face this nightmare alone. And instead of crying over the past, we decided to build a future. Let's see what we are creating.
Hold back. Next section, go. Watch the corner. Lower the stone, easy now. Next one coming up, watch the corner. Keep that mortar moving.
Our answer to betrayal? Building a dream. We started raising this powerful, reliable log house right in the heart of this magical fairy tale forest. No construction crews, just our own hands, axes, and love for wood. We are hand-laying a safe fortress to protect her from any storm, creating a real-life storybook home. And look at this floor! A true work of art, inspired by the forest. We created this intricate, one-of-a-kind mosaic using thousands of real, hand-picked river pebbles. But beauty is just the beginning. The floor is equipped with the latest insulation technology, making it warm and incredibly cozy, even on the coldest winter days. Welcome to the bedroom, where nature meets technology. This stunning accent wall isn't just decoration, it's a living, breathing ecosystem. A fully automated smart home ventilation and hydration system is integrated from below, keeping the living moss vibrant and the air pure, fresh, and perfectly humidified, just like a forest after rain. Our special bed has soft, integrated lighting, making it float. But the main event are these huge panoramic windows that look right out onto a sunny meadow. Waking up every morning to this breathtaking view, completely surrounded by nature, this is what real happiness looks like. A perfect retreat. The bathroom here is a whole new level of relaxation. Authentic stone cladding, glass floors that expose a modern heating system, and a deep soaking tub. But the main fire feature is literally that. A safe, cozy bonfire hearth right here in the bathroom. Imagine soaking in warm water and watching the dance of real flames. Pure bliss. And finally, the heart of the home, the kitchen. We preserved the rustic luxe aesthetic, light-colored wood, smooth stone countertops, and plenty of space. It's incredibly bright and airy, blending seamlessly with the magical forest outside. This entire home is built with love, right from the heart of the wilderness. Please, join us on this journey. Subscribe, leave your comments, and follow along. Let's see what happens next.
Stove is level, dishwasher secure. Plumbing checks out, we are good to go.
I am so glad we are all together again.
This new chapter feels wonderful already.
This tea is just perfect, isn't it? Such a beautiful afternoon. Absolutely lovely. I could stay here forever. The pastries are delicious too.
Hi, everyone. Remember that wedding from the other day? Betrayed by her groom, abandoned right at the altar, and left completely alone in the cold. She felt totally forgotten by the world, but her nightmare was far from over. Help arrived from the most unexpected places. Neighbors, friends, and even kind strangers refused to let her face this impossible situation alone. This is her story of rebuilding and finding strength when she least expected it. Please join us on this emotional journey. Subscribe, leave a comment below, and follow along. Let's see what happens next.